as we often only see from the drone's viewpoint. In this video we can see how the drone operator steered the drone as well, dropping a thermobaric grenade down at a T-72B tank with an open hatch. As the tank's ammunition burns up, a smoke ring was created in the process as well. Also seeing the end result for the tank, leaving a huge crater and a tank in several pieces. As we see in the beginning after dropping the grenade, the experienced drone operator is both sure of the drop as well as quickly steering the drone away to avoid it getting lost to a possible ammunition detonation, showing their amazing skills as a regular day at the job, taking out another tank, reducing Russia's tank force, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.